Introducing LifeMed, your ultimate health companion. Your health, our priority. LifeMed in motion. Embark on a journey to optimal well-being with LifeMed, the all-in-one health app that empowers you to take charge of your health. Our cutting-edge technology seamlessly combines symptom analysis, disease prediction, and easy access to vital medical resources. So first off, we have our dashboard, which is simple, easy, and very informative. It shows us a small piece of writing and a description of the app. It also shows us some informative graphs about the death rate causes of the world, the cause of death, and even an annual death rate for all causes. Moving on to the symptoms. Quickly access your health concerns with our intuitive symptom checker. Receive instant guidance on potential conditions and recommendations for next steps right at your fingertips. So we can simply just input a symptom, scroll down to the diagnose button and click diagnose. But there's a catch. You will need to enter at least 2 different symptoms. So as we enter our second symptom, our third, fourth, etc., and click the diagnose button, our machine will show what you are diagnosed with, a description of the disease, and even a precaution. Moving on to the heart disease prediction. LifeMed's state-of-the-art AI predicts your heart risk disease, allowing you to take preventive steps for a healthier heart. So, just like before, we can input our data and we can put our data in, scroll down to the bottom and click the predict button. As you can see, it shows us that yes, we do have heart disease. Similarly, it will also show whether you don't. This is our BMI index, so we can just input our weight. For example, I am 30 kgs and my height is also 30, and click the calculate BMI button. It will show whether I'm overweight or underweight. Next is the hospitals near you. In times of need and distress, our app locates the nearest hospitals and medical facilities, ensuring you receive medical prompt care when it matters the most. Your health and peace of mind are our priorities. So we can enter our location. And click the enter button. You see that it shows us our location, our exact location, and also gives us a Google clickable map link, which will open in Google Maps. And it also shows you all the hospitals near you and around you in a 5,000 meter radius. If we scroll all the way to the bottom, as you can see that we have, if you do not want to click on the link, we already have a graph ready showing your precise exact location and all the hospitals near you. If we just zoom out of the map, as you can see that there are many near me. Next is our access to wealth of information on a wide range of medical conditions. So you can educate yourself about symptoms, treatments, and preventive measures. Knowledge is the first step towards a better health. So as you can see, we have asthma. It shows us the causes and triggers, the allergens, many other infections, the irritants, exercises, everything about it. We have the common cold, the symptoms about it. Then it also shows us a small little image about how long the symptoms could last. It shows us some of the symptoms, and moving on to the COVID-19, we have the symptoms, the transmission, a graph which is a scatter plot, prevention, vaccine, testing, and even treatment. Diabetes, again we have the symptoms, a nice little picture, what is it about, and even the types of diabetes. Then this is about education about heart disease, the prevalence, the risk factors, and even how many people have died to heart disease compared to cancer and stroke. And lastly but not least, influenza. It shows us the flu symptoms, the transmission, the constantly evolving virus, and the vaccination, and even a graph to show how influenza has affected many people. Preventive measures, antiviral medications, public health response, pandemics, and even ongoing research. This is my app called LifeMed. Your health journey begins with LifeMed. Take control, stay informed, and live your best life. Thank you.